kids. Welcome to our farm. Today, we're going to meet some amazing farm animals. Let's go on a fun adventure together. Are you ready? Look, here's our first animal, the cow. Cows are big and strong. They give us milk. Can you moo like a cow? Next, we have the pig. Pigs love to roll around in the mud. They have cute little noses. Can you oink like a pig? Oink, oink. Here are some clucky chickens. Chickens lay eggs for us to eat. Can you flap your wings and cluck like a chicken? Cluck, cluck. Oh, here comes the goat. Goats love to jump and climb. They have funny little beards. Can you bleat like a goat? Baa, baa. Look at the fluffy sheep. Sheep give us warm wool to make clothes. Can you baa like a sheep? Baa, baa. Whoa! Look at the horse galloping. Horses are fast runners. Can you neigh like a horse? Neigh. Here comes the duck, swimming in the pond. Ducks go quack, quack. Can you quack like a duck? Quack, quack. Oh, look at the turkey. Turkeys are big birds with funny feathers. Can you gobble like a turkey? Gobble, gobble. Here's the donkey. Donkeys are great helpers on the farm. Can you hee-haw like a donkey? Hee-haw. And last, we have the goose. Geese love to honk and waddle around. Can you honk like a goose? Honk, honk. Thanks for watching, friends. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos. See you next time on the farm. Bye-bye.